Morning, darling. Long time no see. Fais-toi plaisir. What up, boys? Well, quite some time since I didn't pick up the camera another time, but well, the thing is, this week's not the most exciting week of my life, so I don't think this is gonna be the most entertaining for you. But there's still a lot of things happening and a lot of things I actually need to track. So we've actually delivered 2 massive projects this week. And regarding the lifestyle this week, guys, we didn't do shit except being seated behind the desk. So I haven't done sports in like 14 days, I think, which is something I really miss. So we'll be allowing some time to do it this evening. But apart from that, yeah, I'm just working from 7 to 10 every day, taking probably 1 hour to lunch and 1 hour like at the end of the day to just relax and scroll a bit like a dumbass. But yeah, apart from that, we're under a lot of intense work, which is great. But you know, I kind of have to do the job finding the sweet spot for me to be as efficient as I want. Long days of work, like around 14 to 15 hours, is a little bit too much for me. I just end up being like not that focused. And that's also why I decided to pick up the camera, to just offer me like a little time break. But yeah, guys, this is just so cool to work with in this environment where you can just be inspired by the view. Like if you're not focused much, you just look at the view and you think, bro, fuck it, I need to conquer this world. But yeah, I'll keep you posted, guys. So, welcome to my new home, guys. This is actually the first time I rent a flat that is unfurnished. So I had to go through the whole process of, you know, buying stuff for your own flats, your own home, which was definitely a one-of-a-kind experience. I really loved it. It was insane. So yeah, we're now done. I'm super excited to, you know, get all my things here because the furniture is coming in 2 days. But yeah, it's just super nice to now have my own home. At the end of the day, I took a flat that is in Marina, even though it's more expensive. I don't know, I just felt the need to be kind of close to my business partner and, you know, the bunch of people I know here, which are all in Marina. And yeah, overall, Marina is just a nice neighborhood because in a lot of places in Dubai, you cannot really, you know, go down your building and just have a nice walk. And in Marina, this is like the perfect place to do that. So that's why I picked this spot. And also, I'm in the same tower as my co-founder. So this is just insanely nice. The Q4 is going to be insane. We're going to be here locked in the flat. You know, I'll be just setting up a nice workstation here, a nice little background for content creation like videos, because I'm going to go extremely hard on educational videos to just share my expertise to people in order to get more clients. That's all. Apart from that, the business is going well. We just signed a couple of deals. My bank account in the UAE opened from the business perspective and from a personal perspective, sorry. So I'm kind of done with all of this admin shit, which was a little messy, and yeah, I'm just ready for, you know, making it happen. I have like big objectives and I don't know, I'm just gonna take all the actions it requires in order to achieve them. So we received a couple of packs there. There's still a lot missing, but well, let's unpack.
Scar tissue that I wish you saw. Sarcastic Mr. Know-It-All. I'll close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. And with the birds I'll share this lonely view. And push me up against the wall. Young tough girl in a push-up bra. Falling all over myself to lift your heart in case you're here. Cause with the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this lonely view. Blood lost in a bathroom stall. A southern girl with a skylit draw. A wave goodbye to Ma and Pa. Cause with the birds I share. With the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this lonely view. Soft spoken with broken jaw. Step outside but not to brawl. And autumn sweet with call it fall. I'll make it to the moon if I have to crawl in. With the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this.
Hi guys, so that's it. We have all the furnitures in the flat. So yeah, my home is now a home. There's no more like, you know, empty space in here. And yeah, as you can see, I just have a new background for all the content I'm gonna be posting, and I think this is very, very valuable. I really loved like kind of building my own workspace, and I don't know, like now I just want to work every day 24/7, which is great. And I think it's very important to kind of invest in the place you work. The setup here is very, very good actually. I have like 2 screens, a good mic, a good camera, good lights, and a good background that is very, very inspired of the master Daniel Dallen. I think everybody would recognize that. I don't know, I just wanted something that looks very premium, very nice, and yeah, this is kind of an unspoken social proof that would, I don't know, just feel that your brand is more premium, even though it's not. Like, so yeah, let me give you a little room tour, guys. It's very, very simple. I wanted something that would, you know, not distract me from work. So there's just like an office and a bed for now. I might add like a nice guitar when I will have the money to. My biggest material dream is to buy myself a very nice guitar, and I think we're not there yet, but we might reach some point during the next like month where I could spend such an amount of money just in a new guitar to, you know, just like fucking money, man. Yo, this is so exciting. By the way, I don't have this money yet because it cost me so much to go there and to buy, and I have no regret at all because I don't know, in as few as 30 days, because I'm here since a month now, I got so much shit done. Like, this is crazy. I think I've done in a month what I would have done in like 4 to 5 months usually when I was like in France, you know. And yeah, here's a mattress because the idiot I am bought 2 mattresses because yo, I just didn't expect the bed to come with a mattress. So yeah, I'm just dumb at this point. And we have the bed here. Being there just feels so good. It just gives me the will to work. Like, I wake up and I want to work when I'm there, you know? So yeah, just to explain why I didn't post any content over the last couple of weeks, I was very, very busy. And I was so busy because yeah, at some point I spent like 3 weeks alone in Dubai. Didn't speak to anyone human, like, except like the cashier or something like that. So I was very, very alone. And you know, sometimes you just have to power through the work. I think, well, I'm still a beginner at this whole thing, but my experience of that is that this episode literally like took me to another level in the business. That is, I got so much thing done because we basically executed so much, and I've been through a lot of work, a ton of boring work, you know. I was just in NA all day long, like coding workflows and debugging things. So we now have very good use cases. So quick update about the company. We basically launched the Q4 today, actually, because it's Monday. We launched the paid acquisition as well, because my co-founder is actually running a pretty big agency here in France that focuses on paid ads. So I don't know, we think we have kind of an edge on this market. So this acquisition channel may be successful to us. I don't know, we'll figure that out. And we did the exact same thing on outbound, because I basically did outbound for like 2 years for many clients. So we have these two separate channels that are running, and we still have the content through LinkedIn, which is basically our major lead acquisition channel right now. And well, I was talking to a friend this afternoon, and we were talking about like generating leads when you provide like paid services overall. And I think there are a lot of channels you can leverage to just generate leads. I would highly recommend LinkedIn content, and especially like lead magnets. So what we do is we post one lead magnet a week in LinkedIn. So this is the kind of post where you would be pushing a resource that is for free, but you have to comment to get it. There's a lot of this in Instagram, and it's the exact same on LinkedIn. And this is very good for the reach. I actually like grew my account by thousands of followers within like 2 to 3 posts like this. And yeah, right now each lead magnet we post is like tens of leads. So the cost per lead is like nothing, it's zero. You just have to take the time and build the resource. So you can build it in Notion or whatever, in YouTube. You could like record a video, post it like publicly, and then repurpose it for a lead magnet in LinkedIn. And this is an extremely good way to find who's interested in what you sell, because the people that will comment are either competitors of yours, either ICPs. So that's great. Well, those things said, I'm really happy to be back. I think I might be more accountable on the content thing during the next weeks. So yeah, we're into it. I wish you all guys a very good Q4. I think we're all gonna make it. We're all gonna kill it. I've actually had a lot of very interesting discussions and conversations with some of you on Instagram. So if you're interested in just connecting, you can add me on Instagram, drop me a DM. I would respond in, I don't know, a day or two. I'm trying to be as fast as I can, guys, but the phone is the distraction. So, and thank you so much if you've watched until now. And if you're in Dubai right now, especially if you're in Marina, but whatever, and you want to meet, just drop me a DM on Instagram as well. Thank you guys, and see you next week.